Have you ever wondered why some apps and websites feel instantly familiar while others seem confusing? The answer often lies in design elements like icons, illustration, and even skeuomorphism. But how do these elements work together to enhance your product design? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand how to use icons and illustrations to effectively create intuitive and engaging user experiences. Do you struggle to comprehend industry jargon as an early career UX designer? If so, don't worry, I have compiled a series to discuss these terms starting from letter A to Z to help you understand and effectively use them in your communication. This will help you set the right expectations and demonstrate your values to others. In this series, we've gone through letter A to H and we are currently on letter I. Our word for today is, drumroll, icons and illustrations. Let's begin with icons. What exactly are icons? Icons are small visual elements used for navigation and representing simple actions or concepts. They are intuitive and provide quick recognition and help users to interact with the interface elements. Effective icon design should communicate abstract concepts clearly with strong recognizable shapes. They should be functional and aligned with brand's visual design voice. They should also ensure consistency with other elements. One way that product designers make icon elements more relatable is by using skeuomorphism. What is skeuomorphism? Skeuomorphism is a design concept where digital elements resemble their real-world counterparts. This approach helps users interact with digital interfaces more intuitively by mimicking familiar physical objects. For example, you can see that on your laptop or your desktop, you'll see that the trash can actually looks like an actual physical trash can, or you can even see the calendar icon looking so much like the physical calendar. That's basically what skeuomorphism is. It aids comprehension by helping users understand the product faster. While skeuomorphism can enhance familiarity, it's crucial to balance it with modern design principles to avoid unusual visual clutter. To maximize the benefits of iconography while minimizing potential drawbacks, here are a few things that you could do. You can use widely recognized icons to leverage existing user knowledge. You could also accompany icons with labeled text so that they are clear and the meaning of that button is really clear. Then you need to maintain consistency in icon design throughout the app. In addition to this, it's also important to test icons with target users to ensure that they understand it effectively. And finally, consider combining icons with text for primary navigation, especially in complex apps. Now let's explore the role of illustration in product design. Illustrations are more detailed and expressive compared to icons. They support communication, they enhance brand personality, and represent complex ideas or stories. Illustrations can visually explain concepts, making them more engaging and easier to understand. They can add personality and align with brand identity, and they can also maintain the balance between creativity and functionality without overshadowing the main content. For example, a fitness app might use illustration to depict exercises, making instructions more engaging and easier to follow compared to plain text. Integrating icons and illustrations require balancing functionality and aesthetics to enhance user experience. Icons provide quick recognition, while illustrations add personality and clarity. Combining these elements thoughtfully can create a cohesive and engaging design. In a music app, icons might be used for essential controls like play or pause, using skeuomorphism elements to enhance familiarity. Illustrations can also depict the album art or the playlist themes. Ensure consistency in style, color, size across all the design elements, and icons and illustrations should support the user journey, and skeuomorphic details should enhance rather than overwhelm the interface. How do you you decide when to use illustrations versus icons in a design project. Icons are ideal for navigation, simple actions, and quick visual cues. They are small and standardized, and they focus on simplicity and clarity. On the other hand, illustrations are suitable for storytelling, explaining complex ideas, and adding brand personality. They can be larger, more detailed, and even offer creative freedom. To sum up, icons and illustration each play a vital role in product design. Icons offer quick recognition, illustration adds personality, and skeuomorphism can make digital elements feel more intuitive. By integrating these elements effectively, you can create engaging and user-friendly designs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button below for more design tips and insights. And don't forget to join our newsletter for exclusive content and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.